Hey everybody, what's up? How's it going? So I've been at my sister's house for the weekend, to spend time with my son and everything. I've had a good time here. Everybody's been really nice to me and everything. But yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So, anyways, uh, but I got on a medication for my pre-diabetes because I found out recently that I had pre-diabetes and I still have high cholesterol. So I gotta eventually get myself some omega 3s and some red yeast rice for my cholesterol. But I'm getting on a medication for my prediabetes. It's for weight loss and for diabetes. Um, but yeah, drink some coffee. Anyways, yeah. Last night, me and my brother celebrated my birthday with my son and my brother and his boyfriend. So we went to In-N-Out and we had some burgers and shakes and then after that we went to Walmart and I got some things at Walmart. So sure, I have that Walmart haul. But yeah, I'm happy right now. I can't wait to hear from my man on the phone and be back with him tomorrow. So I really missed him an awful lot. Um, but I feel like I've been busy and occupied and having good times here. So, but definitely do miss him. So, but yeah. Um, just took my tag mats recently. Um, uh, uh, I had bad insomnia last night, but yeah, I didn't get too much sleep, but I got enough. So, um, I just felt like staying up late last night. So, my son went to bed last night. Um, tried to wake him up and tell him that he did and have him change his outfit and everything. So, because he didn't have a diaper on. I keep telling my family to get diapers for him for bedwetting in his size, but they haven't yet. So they don't really listen to me all the time. So, um, but yeah. So, but at my house we always have them for him. We always have him wear them before he goes to bed. But yeah, he went to bed at like 12 o'clock last night. Um, he got to spend a lot of time with me and everything. So, um, and I got his phones charged right now. I charged his phones for him. So he'll be happy about that when he wakes up. But yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, damn. Oh, my. Mm. It's, mm. I need a 5 hour. I'll have one soon. But yeah, I can't wait to get back home. My man's gonna be working the day that I get back home, though, so and he's gonna be working till Wednesday. So, then day after tomorrow is my birthday on Monday. So I'll be turning 36. So, getting older now. Not much longer till I'm 40. It's crazy. It's crazy how time flies when you get older. But this year's just zipped by. Seems like this year's just zipped by big time. Now we're getting into the holidays and everything, so, Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and then New Year's. Yeah, it's crazy. But, yeah. Anyway, so subscribe. Love you guys. Alright. Bye.